Well, it's time to think about those jobs for September. And actually, there's a lot to do in that month. It's a really good time to reflect back on your summer garden, what things worked, what things maybe didn't work. Are there plants that maybe need moving? Again, it's a really good time to move certain plants. A good time to prepare the soil for your autumn planting as well. Really good time to get your lawn in shape. But one of the jobs that I'm going to start with is deadheading, because there's a chance I may still get a few more flowers. So I'm just going to take off all of these dead flowers. There's quite a lot here on my leucanthemum. The dianthus down there doesn't look too good either. The verbena's still looking fabulous. Just a point, sometimes you might not want to deadhead. I mean, these verbena last year, I left them to go to seed in autumn and winter, and this year they've actually produced lots of little babies as well. So you might want to deadhead. You may want to leave certain plants to go to seed and potentially get some more plants next year. September's a really good month for lawn maintenance. You might well want to aerate it. That's an easy job. Just get your fork, put a bit of pressure on there, a few nice holes. I'll do that about every half a metre or so. Well worth doing. And then, I mean, to be honest, our lawn's in pretty good nick, but if you've got things like moss, debris, you might just want to get a rake and just rake through. I say that, it's amazing. Maybe it's not quite as good as I thought. There's quite a lot of dead, look at that actually, wow. Quite a lot of dead grass coming out. Well, I'll keep going at this. I'm really surprised at that. Also, you might want to top dress as well, but all of these jobs are fantastic for your lawn in September. It's a really good month to dig over your borders, and this border here, it was just too difficult in the height of summer. It was too dry, but now I can easily work this soil. Now there's a lot of space here. Well, here we go. There's a lot of space, and I'm just thinking about what I'm going to plant here in the autumn months. Lots of bulbs, and we've got a fantastic selection of bulbs you can pre-order on YouGarden right now. So I'm thinking maybe some lovely crocus bulbs. I'm thinking some nice daffodils here at the front. Maybe a few more snowdrops as well. Though to be fair, they're better buying them in the green from YouGarden in kind of like January, February time. But a really good month for digging over all your beds and borders and planning that spring colour. Now that the main growing season is slowing down, it's a fantastic time to cut back any dead leaves, damaged leaves on things like your ferns, your grasses, your palms. I've got a cordyline here, and what I want to do, you can see here, there's lots of dead leaves just at the bottom. So I'm just going to take my secateurs, and some of these would probably pull off, but I'm just going to tidy the whole thing up here. And I'll tell you what, it is going to look so much better and be so much happier. It's a huge, it's a huge amount down here. I might be here a while. I always give my lavender a little trim in September. I just take off the dead flower heads. Don't forget you can save these, fabulous in the home for potpourri, for freshening up laundry drawers, things like that. And then I'll give them another prune when it comes to March. Think about what you might do with any of your tomato crops that haven't quite ripened. Quite a few here, but you can use them for chutneys, you can use them in cooking, you may be able to pick them and ripen them off slightly indoors. Your soft fruit should be coming to a bit of a close right now, but things like your apples and pears should hopefully be ready for picking.